I gotta show you my Getrude Jekyll is in the peak of its bloom right now. This is so gorgeous and beautiful. I mean, it's such a show. I mean, look at this. How many of you has the row that all bloom at the same time like this? I can. It's just so gorgeous. And I still have very windy bloom right, like storm right now. I don't know what's going on with today's weather, but you can see it actually really bloom along the entire cane of this rose. And so whenever it blooms, it really gives a huge display, and it's so bright. It's so bright that sometimes it's like you need, I feel like I need sunglasses to look at it in the sunny day because of how bright it is. Now we have cloudy days, so it's for me I think it's the best time to video this rose. Otherwise I can't capture this color really well because it's just so bright. But just look at how gorgeous is this, and it smells so good, like so good. I pair this rose at my fence together with my teasing Georgia, also a really gorgeous rose right now. I will show you all later. But a lot of people say Getrude Jekyll is a very stingy rose, and I just cannot agree with that. It is a very generous bloomer, and I do not spray my roses since last year's summer, so you can see that it looks fine to me. I mean, I do not have a lot of problem with it at all. And just the amount of bloom on I only have like what 5-6 can on this rose, and it just amazed by how much bloom I received from just a little bit of amount of cane. So there you go, Getrude Jekyll. Oh, by the way, it's very thorny. So if you want to train it on obelisk or the art, good luck to your finger. It's very thorny. That is the reason why I fan it out on the fence, so it's easier to actually train it, because I just zip tied it. But oh my gosh, so thorny, and it smells so good though. It's worth it.